Hey everyone, it's Megan with Mama Dreams Big. So today I'm wondering, what does your future look like? So are you planning on being a 40? And what do I mean by that? 40 hours a week at a job that you do for 40 years. And then when you retire, if you're lucky, you get 40% of what you were making with your retirement. Is that the way that you want things to be? If it is, that's great. I'm so happy for you. And you know what? There are people who love their jobs, and that is excellent. And I love one of mine. So, but what was I going to say? Mommy brain fart. Anyway, but yeah, so if you don't want that to be that 40 rule, I have discovered a way that I am getting out of that. And what I'm doing, obviously, is running my home business. And from this, I am hoping, no, I'm not even saying that. I am already visualizing that from this, first of all, I will be able to leave my current position at my full-time job. The other thing that I'm going to be able to do is retire early. And that's because all that income I'm generating, I am going to be putting it into, after my debt is paid off, because if anyone knows my story, I have tons of debt, and that's what I'm working towards, and that's why I still have to have my full-time job, because I'm working towards that goal. But what I am also planning on doing is putting a lot of money aside for retirement, so that then I can be free. I can be free, and that is what I want, is my freedom. So yeah, that is what is exciting to me, and I'm excited to do that. So you can do it too. There is nothing stopping you from being able to do what I'm doing. There isn't. So anyway, sorry that got a little pitchy. I don't normally like to be pitchy in my blog posts. Sorry. So, but sometimes I get really passionate about it and just think that there's an alternative out there that you could be doing too. And that's all there is to it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and remember guys, always dream big.